South Sudan, a young nation in East Africa, holds a profound story within its borders. This landlocked country, birthed by the Nile, is a place of breathtaking landscapes. From sprawling savannas to lush swamps, its beauty is undeniable. But beyond its natural wonders, South Sudan boasts a rich tapestry of cultures. It is a land where diversity reigns. South Sudan has over 60 indigenous ethnic groups. Each contributes to the nation's vibrant cultural mosaic. These groups, with their unique traditions, languages and beliefs, paint a vivid picture of South Sudan's heritage. This essay delves into the heart of South Sudan. It explores the traditions, music, art and cuisine that define its people. Their resilience shines through even in the face of historical and modern challenges. Join us as we celebrate the spirit of South Sudan. Let us explore the importance of preserving its cultural legacy for generations to come. It is a journey into the soul of a nation. South Sudan is a melting pot of cultures, each with its own unique identity. The Dinka, known for their cattle herding traditions, are the largest group. Their lives are deeply intertwined with their livestock, reflecting a deep respect for nature. The Nuer, the second largest group, share a similar pastoral lifestyle. They are renowned for their intricate kinship system and their strong connection to their environment. The Azande, residing in the southwestern part of the country, have a rich artistic heritage. They are skilled in crafts, music and storytelling. These are just a few of the many ethnic groups that call South Sudan home. Each contributes to the country's intricate social fabric. Other groups, like the Bari, Shilluk and Toposa, all bring their unique traditions and stories to the forefront. This diversity, woven into the landscape of South Sudan, is a testament to the enduring power of cultural heritage. Traditions are the lifeblood of South Sudanese culture, connecting generations through shared customs. Marriage ceremonies, often elaborate affairs, signify the union of families and communities. Cattle, a symbol of wealth and prosperity, play a central role in these celebrations. Festivals brimming with music, dance and storytelling punctuate the year. They offer a time for communities to come together and celebrate their shared heritage. Rites of passage, marking significant life events like birth, adulthood and death, hold deep spiritual significance. These rituals, passed down through generations, are more than just customs. They are the threads that weave together the intricate tapestry of South Sudanese society. Music and dance are integral parts of life in South Sudan, expressing joy, sorrow, and everything in between. The rhythmic beats of the drums reverberate through communities. They accompany traditional ceremonies, celebrations, and everyday life. Songs, often passed down orally, tell stories of love, heroism, and history. The dances, full of energy and symbolism, are not mere entertainment. They are a way of life, a connection to ancestors, and a powerful expression of cultural identity. From the graceful movements of the Dinka to the energetic rhythms of the Nuer, each group has its unique dance forms that have been passed down through countless generations. Section 5, A Feast for the Senses, exploring the flavors of South Sudan. South Sudanese cuisine, a delicious fusion of flavors, reflects the country's agricultural richness. Staples like sorghum, maize and millet form the base of many meals. These are often accompanied by hearty stews made with meat, fish or vegetables. Milk, a symbol of purity and prosperity, features prominently in their diet. Fresh produce, readily available in the fertile regions, adds vibrancy and flavor. Meals are often communal affairs, strengthening social bonds and fostering a sense of belonging. The food of South Sudan is a testament to its people's resourcefulness and their deep connection to the land. Strokes of resilience. Art in the face of adversity. Art in South Sudan is a testament to the resilience of the human spirit. Despite decades of conflict and hardship, artistic traditions have endured. Intricate beadwork, often used to adorn clothing and accessories, showcases incredible skill and artistry. Sculptures crafted from wood or clay often depict animals, ancestors, or scenes from daily life. These art forms are not merely decorative. They serve as powerful expressions of cultural identity, preserving traditions and stories for future generations. Through their art, The people of South Sudan demonstrate their unwavering spirit and their ability to find beauty even in the face of adversity. Scars of the past. The impact of history on culture. South Sudan's history has been tragically marked by conflict. Decades of civil war have left an indelible mark on its cultural landscape. Many traditions have been disrupted and countless cultural treasures have been lost or damaged. The displacement of communities has made it challenging to maintain cultural practices and pass them on to younger generations. However, even in the face of such adversity, the spirit of the South Sudanese people remains unbroken. Efforts are underway to document and revive cultural traditions, ensuring that their rich heritage is not lost. The resilience of the South Sudanese people serves as a beacon of hope, demonstrating the enduring power of culture to heal and unite. A new dawn, a shared heritage, preserving South Sudan's cultural wealth. As South Sudan navigates the challenges of nation building, preserving its cultural heritage is paramount. Establishing museums and cultural centers can provide spaces to showcase and celebrate the country's diverse traditions. Supporting traditional artists and artisans is crucial for ensuring the continuity of ancient crafts and skills. Integrating cultural education into the school curriculum can instill a sense of pride and belonging in younger generations. Documenting and preserving traditional knowledge, languages, and stories is essential for ensuring their survival. By investing in cultural preservation, South Sudan can safeguard its heritage and foster a sense of unity and national identity. A tapestry of unity, embracing diversity for a brighter future. South Sudan's cultural diversity is its greatest strength, a source of immense pride and inspiration. Embracing this diversity is essential for fostering peace, unity, and progress. Promoting intercultural dialogue and understanding can help bridge divides and build a more inclusive society. Celebrating cultural festivals and events collectively can strengthen social bonds and foster a sense of shared identity. By recognizing and valuing the contributions of all its ethnic groups, South Sudan can create a brighter future for all its citizens. The resilience and spirit of the South Sudanese people, evident in their vibrant cultures, serve as a beacon of hope for a peaceful and prosperous future. As South Sudan moves forward, may it always cherish and celebrate the rich tapestry of cultures that makes it truly unique.